Hello everyone, this is Quaker from Next Gen Windows, bringing you another Windows 8 app play, which is pretty much, app plays are pretty much my series of Windows 8 games, that are in the store at least, that you can download on RT tablets and such. So this is a Windows 8 app play of Asphalt 7 Heat, or Asphalt Heat 7, whatever you choose to call it. It's my first time playing this game, so, you're going to notice I'm going to fail miserably. So for starters, when you first open up the app, it asks if you want to run it in the background. I don't see a point, so let's hit don't allow. Then let's start, tap to start. Wait for this thing to load. There we go. This, I guess, is the main menu here. Shop, which is pretty much the cash shop. If we click on it, it'll tell us to buy the full game, but I don't have the full game right now because I wanted to test it out first before I buy it. So this is how the demo is, but obviously the full game is the same thing, only you get access to everything. See right here. So right here we're going to do free play. There's options here. You can take a look at customer care and sound and display, which allows you to adjust all the stuff like that. So like sound effects, we can lower that a little bit. Engine. Let's actually lower all the sound for, there you go. And you can choose your camera view and everything like that. We'll go miles per hour since I'm in the US and I don't really understand anything else. And let's go back, and controls here. You can see the controls. You can either choose tilt, you can use the screen, you can use Control C, or you can, these are all for touch, or you can use Control E, which is pretty much your keyboard controls. And then these are Xbox 360 controls and stuff like that. One thing I noticed is this is clearly a tablet. This is clearly the iPad Mini. It's pretty. They just chose to put iPad Mini as but took off the buttons so people wouldn't really notice it. But let's choose that, and there we go. We'll just choose auto acceleration. Why not? And let's jump in. So I guess you can choose these levels here, these game settings here. We're going to do a normal race since this is all we can choose. You have choices of Los Angeles and stuff like that. Let's see if I can scroll up. No, it's not letting me scroll up. So I don't think I can choose anything but these and these settings here. So we'll just hit select and just jump in. And then you got tiered events. Basically tiered events are you gotta have a certain car to get a certain event. Sorry. So we'll just say don't show this again, since if you played Need for Speed you'll know about tiered events. You gotta have a certain type of car to get into the event, so you can't drive like a Lamborghini while you're racing Fiats and Toyotas and stuff like that. And then these give you the little stats about the car. Nitro speed, it goes up to 170, handling, such. And if you want to scroll through, you can do that. We only have these cars here. Got the Land Rover, Range Rover Evoque, Mini Cooper S Coupe, and you got the DMC, the DeLorean, the Back to the Future car, Shelby GT500. You got the 370Z, the Z4 BMW M Roadster, the BMW X6M, Tesla Roadster. So nice. I might even choose that. Actually, you can't because I'm using the demo. I didn't see the bottom just then. So let's go back all the way using the Fiat Abarth 500. And then these are the little things you can choose if you have the full game. Again, no thanks. I wouldn't use them anyway. So now we're about to start doing this. Note this, I don't even know the controls to this, so you're gonna see a fresh start. We'll just skip this and jump straight into the game. And note this, if you see any lagging or anything like that, it's probably because I'm recording, but if it's really fast, that means that just about any computer will be able to run it. So right now I set it to automatically accelerate, and all I gotta do is move left and right, because I'm using this game like an arcade game. So there you go. What is nitrous? I'm not sure. Let's take this money. Okay, nitrous is space. And then C is to change your camera. C is for camera. So I just passed this guy right here. Let's try and mess him up a little bit. See, he's really trying to mess me up. Come on. Let's use nitrous to get ahead. Here we go. Now we're in 4th place. Let's get some more nitrous. or NOS. Keep going. There's other cars on the road. I did not know that you could wreck like that. Fortunately, the one thing I did notice is you can't actually, get damaged because my car is still in perfect condition. Somehow, let's try to use this view, or we can change it like that. Let's just drive around here. I just saw another one of my teammates crash, or not teammates, the people who I was racing crash. Still in 5th place. So let's keep going. And I like the music too. It matches the mood of racing, pretty much like techno. This guy's trying to ram me off the road. Jeez, so aggressive. Let's keep going with this. Guess there's achievements there. This guy used nitrous, so he tried to get ahead of me. I'm gonna try to get ahead of this guy right here and get in first. There we go. First place. Yeah, you might look at this and think it's a super easy game, and it is. Again, this is an arcade style game, so you don't really have to try too hard to get ahead. It's more just for fun, just for the lulz and stuff like that. So let's just keep going with this. I can see that there's a guy way ahead of me right there on the map. I'm gonna try to get ahead of him. Oh, I don't have any more nitrous right there. Yeah, so pretty much I am doing this review, or I won't even call it this one a review. I'll just call it a first look. Yeah, I'll just call it a review anyway, because you guys are going to see exactly how it functions and whether you choose to want it. That was a crazy thing that just happened to that guy. So yeah, but yeah, I'll just call this a review anyway. Even if I lose, I'll still upload it, because why not? It's the first look / review. We can take a look at how much you can use it, even in snap view, if it works in snap view at all. So that way, maybe if you're running the internet browser side by side, say you're on Facebook or something, you can still use it. Take this jump here. Oh yes, we hit it. Nice. Alright, let's keep going. But yeah, it's a pretty simple game. It's pretty fun. Get off here. Bam. This guy is still ahead of me. He might actually be the winner, the first place winner, because I don't have any more NOS. Oh, that's drifting right there. You hold control when you're using a keyboard to drift. Yeah, don't do that though, or you won't be very happy. Don't do it when you're going below 60 miles an hour. Now I'm in 3rd place. Man, I'm doing terrible. I'm so used to actually winning every time and say Need for Speed and stuff like that. Oh, and also, by the way, as for Need for Speed Rivals, I'm planning on getting the Xbox One, so I might get that one as one of my day one releases, as well as Watch Dogs. So you can probably expect some kind of coverage on Need for Speed Rivals and Watch Dogs, just a little gameplay. Still gonna go with the whole, the Windows 8 stuff, because I'm sure they'll have smart glass support on it. This guy thinks he can pass me. There we go. I got in 2nd place. It's better than nothing. Tap to continue. So let's click the screen. But yeah, you guys can expect Need for Speed Rivals and some other games that have to do with Microsoft stuff. How they run on the Xbox One, so that during the holiday season, if you guys decide to pick one up for family or for yourself, you'll know what to expect and how the dashboard looks and how to share different things and how to even live stream. I'll give you a little tutorial on how to do different functions on the Xbox One. So if you want to share the results, it will allow, so you can see the little things you completed, challenges you completed. And then this is apparently the end of the demo. You can only do one race in this demo. Yeah, Los Angeles doesn't work at all. I'm trying to click on it. But essentially, you can see how this game functions. It has the same cash stuff, in-game cash stuff that you could expect from every game. The money here, stars here. I'm not sure what these do exactly yet, because obviously this isn't a full game. But now that you guys have seen this, you can also take a look at it yourself. If you decide to pick it up after this video, go ahead, be my guest. But this was Asphalt 7 Heat. Basically, take a look at the demo of it. It's not, obviously this is a demo, it's not the full game, but it was pretty fun. If you want to kill time, say if you're waiting for a meeting to start, or you're waiting for class to start, or you're just waiting for any old thing to start, or you're just bored in general, go ahead and pick this up. It's only $1.99 on the Windows 8 store or the Windows Store, and it runs on Windows 8 and RT. They even have it also on Windows Phone, and I think just about every other platform out there that is relevant currently. I don't know about BlackBerry though, but they have it on Android and iOS. But for the most part, Windows 8 and Windows Phone 8, they have it all available. I'm not sure about Windows Phone 7, but you can check it out anyway and let other people know in the comments below if it is in fact out on Windows Phone 7. This has been Kwaku from Next Gen Windows, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.